I want this house, you guys. I got you on camera.
That's unfair.
Well, just throw it away. What's that coming out of your mouth?
Steam.
You're hot.
Cooking something.
This is so freaking cute. Aww. Old windows? There's the man with the chainsaw.
Chainsaw man.
Chainsaw man.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's insane.
That's
This room.
cute.
Wow. I love it.
These are the windows. These are beautiful. These are probably original.
Put a little bench right here for.
There's a chainsaw guy.
I know, keep it back. Put a little bench there for Ernie. He will look outside all day. What?
Our I don't know if that opens. Our mailbox used to come right,
Cute.
fall right
Yeah,
into
it's
the
so
closet. Mail used to fall in the closet.
This door is so cute.
So
Cute.
your mail just goes right, which is nice. Your mail
What?
goes on the floor and then you close the door. Yeah.
That's sick. Dang.
I love old houses.
This kind of, it reminds me a lot of real. This is a lot bigger.
This house is insane. Why do you think this house isn't selling?
How long's it been on market?
A month.
Overpriced.
Really? It's beautiful. Aww. This is so cute. I want this house.
Dang, these rooms are awesome.
There's a husky.
The closet was even about 7
They started trying to
Cute.
keep the doors down.
This room would be so cute for a baby. For an Ernie.
See, that's the one thing, this closet. So all these are windows are, oh look, you can see the water. Really long from here, see?
This house is huge. There's another cute one across the street.
Oh, you're gonna fall, you're gonna wanna buy this house.
What?
I'm not gonna tell you yet.
Tell me.
Let's keep looking. I see what you're doing. Is there?
Oh, the attic. There's a walk-up attic. I know.
Does this open up here to this?
Mom, I want this house. Oh, look at this bathroom.
But you could turn that into a balcony.
Yeah, and put a fence around it.
Dang.
Ernie outside.
And a top, like a...
An awning. I like this sign. Oh, the chainsaw man though. I don't want the chainsaw man when I move in. No, I don't want him here when I move in.
Another attic?
Did that door just open on its own?
It is.
What's that one, a closet?
This is what we turned into, but we didn't have to go. This is how we turned our upstairs into the other room.
I'm spooked out. I'm scared.
No, you could finish this room off. This is how ours looked like. Oh, not even. Ours was worse than this. This is how we turned this into Jackson's room. Yeah, you can stand on it.
I'm scared.
Why?
I don't know. I've got weird vibes.
Like, I don't feel any spooky.
Okay, then it's just me. Do you ever? Do you get spooked sometimes, Mom? But not in here? I've got spooky vibes.
It's your house.
This is so clean. This is such a, like,
There's the
My
water.
attic is so worse than this.
This is really freaking cool.
yeah, this is nice.
I'd pay $1 million for this house if I had it.
This is sick.
This house is so freaking cute.
So is this the whole yard
Look how
too?
many dead flies there are.
Oh,
Just
you're gonna
old.
have,
You're trying to tell me there's no bad juju?
this is so clean, this wood.
That spider.
There's no insulation. When we did it, we put insulation all in here.
Yeah, 'cause
I
it's
would
so
just
cold.
leave this as an attic.
Yeah.
No, I'd make it a room.
Yeah, you
It's so cute. And the fact that you get to walk right up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's.
That's so cool.
Right, that was that house that we were with Amanda that I'm saying.
That's what you thought it had?
Yeah, I thought it had stairs like this. 'Cause then
Yeah, this house is so freaking cute.
we'll talk to them and see.
I love it.
I love all the sauces.
And like, I like that they redid it, but they didn't ruin it.
Right.
They didn't make it.
Right.
Maybe that's why too.
This room is so simple.
It's not selling. People want it to be like redone. Wait, come. I want to get a photo.
You want me to record while you walk around too?
Yeah, but let's get a photo first. Okay, and then flip me. Okay, and then one more. Still do one half of the arm. I'm gonna take it from like here up.
Okay, gotcha.
Let's do one more on the arm. Yeah. And up there, that door, you can walk out to the balcony. There's also a chainsaw massacre man out here. You guys, imagine Ernie running through here. This could be my next door neighbor, you guys. What are you looking at?